Hey guys, what's up diecast lovers? It's Marcus from Diecast World. Today quick shopping in my local Sainsburys. I visit few shops as the Tesco, but they don't have any interesting stuff. I don't know what's going on right now. More shops for last few weeks, they don't have any delivery for new cars, so probably for the lockdown and everything what is going on. But I'm really nice surprised today with my local Sainsbury. So the first thing you can see, we got almost full 2 boxes for mine line. There is mix from last 2 boxes from 2020 and case A from 2021. Oh, sorry, but I check right now the properly. They just got from one treasure hunt, but I have it, so I leave this for someone else. Few cars, definitely someone, if it's interesting, they can find it, but soon on my channel I start unboxing and review all cars from 2021. At the moment I've got complete case A, B, C and start box D. But another thing, of course, we got some monster trucks. I find full set of kart racers, so you can see this right now. They look really nice. If someone think about to buy this set, is completely set right now. Looks really nice. The casting of the cars looks really impressive. And so if someone is interested, 325 for one car. Some cars from Fast and Furious, but they have probably only two. They left 2 models from the series: Mercedes AMG and Nissan 37Z. But more important for me right now is this one here. So Hot Wheels Carsters diecast. Oh, we got the premium full. I find there is few cars left, but I find full set of 5 cars. To be honest, for me more important, they be find this cast with Golf. They look really incredible. So we got 5 Jaguar, Morris Mini, Lotus, and of course Range Rover Defender. So I'm very happy, really nice hunt. No super treasure hunt, but I'm really happy. I keep this premium set right now, so soon as well you can find on my channel unboxing and review. Thanks for watching, be safe and see you in next video.
Let it go,